Welcome to Simplify Technology. In this tutorial we will show you how to make your account public on Threads by Instagram. Open the Threads app and log in to your account. Tap your profile icon from the bottom menu. On your profile page, tap Edit Profile. In your profile settings, find the Private Profile toggle. Tap the toggle to turn it off. Select Done from the top right to save your changes. Confirm your decisions by tapping OK. Your Threads profile is now public, allowing anyone to see and interact with your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking the video. Thank you for watching Simplify Technology.